Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the fourth part of arithmetic progression. So we will start with the sums. They are like word problem kind of sums. I will read out the question to you and then I will solve the question. Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount of rupees 3,25,000 by paying rupees 30,500 in the first month and then decreases the payment by rupees 1,500 every month. How long will it take to clear his amount? How long means we need to find the number n. The n is the number of months which it will take to complete. So n is number of months. The total amount is given as Sn, which is 3,25,000, and A or T1 is given as 30500. So we got these from the question. Now Sn is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. The difference is also given. The difference is minus 1,500. As the value is going on decreasing, the difference between the next term minus the previous term will be minus 1,500. And this is an AP. We need to identify that it is an AP because it has a common difference. So n we need to find. This is 325,000. 2 into 30500 plus n minus 1 into minus 1500. Now when you solve this, eventually you will get 750 n square minus 3120 n plus 325,000 is equal to 0. This side will come as 750 n square minus 31200. After getting this is a quadratic equation. But to solve this will consume a lot of time because these numbers are very large. So we have to divide throughout by 150. Divide throughout by 250 because all are multiples of 25, 250. So this will be 3n square minus 125n plus 1300 is equal to 0. Now when you solve these this one equation, you will get two values of n. That is n is 65 by 3 or n is 20. This equation you can solve by prime factorization method or method of formula or completing the squares. So you will get this. So this can't be n because n is a integer. So n is 20. So it will take 20 months to complete the payment. You need to solve this equation, practice this. 3 into 1300 you will get by prime factorization method, and then you will write it in terms of 125. You will get these two values. Please note this down. In all the word problems, we need to identify the kind of problem it is, whether it is a linear equation, whether it is a quadratic equation, whether it is an arithmetic progression. So that you will come to know as you solve more and more questions. So now we'll proceed with the next question. Anwar saves some amount every month. In first 3 months, he saves 200, 250 and 300. respectively, in which month will he save 1000? So T1 or A is given as 200, T2 is 250, T3 is 300 and Tn is 1000. We need to find n. Now, what is the common difference D? Difference D is 50. It's a common difference. Now, this formula will be given by Tn is 2a plus n minus 1d, where Tn is 1000. This is 2 into 200 plus n minus 1 into 50. This will be 600 is 50. 600 divided by 50 is n minus 1. So 12 plus 1 is n. So n is 13. Sorry, the formula is wrong. This is a plus n minus 1d. Yeah, because that 2a plus n minus 1d is for the sum. Tn is a plus n minus 1d and Sn is 2a n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So a is 200. So 200, 100 minus 200 will be 800 divided by 50. Plus 50n minus 50. 5 35 6 30. So it will be n will be 17. N is 16 plus 1, which is 17. So it will, in the 17th month, he will save 1000. Next, they have asked, let us find in 17 months how much total amount is saved. So you need to use this formula Sn for total amount saved and find the answer. Total amount saved, the answer is 10200. So with this formula, find the total amount and cross check whether you are getting this answer. Please note this down. Now, the next question is, in year 2015, Mrs. Sheikh got a job with salary 1,80,000 per year. Her employer agreed to give rupees 10,000 per year as increment. Then in how many years will her annual salary be 2,50,000? So A is given as 1,80,000 because it is the first salary. Next, difference is 10,000. 10,000 is going on increasing, that is why this is positive. So this is an AP because there is a common difference. You need to find out first. This is an AP. So in how many years Tn is given as 2,50,000. So now in this formula we need to find n. So Tn is given. There is no question of Sn. So Tn can be found as a plus n minus 1d by this formula, and A is 1,80,000 plus n minus 1 into 10,000 and Tn is 2,50,000. Now you divide throughout by 10,000. So you will get 25 equal to 18 plus n minus 1. So 17 plus n is 25. Thousand, 10,000, 10,000. So this is 25 minus 17 is n, which is 8, which is n. So in the 8th year, her annual salary will be 2,50,000 rupees. Okay, please note this down and note these two formulas for solving the questions like word problems. Try to identify whether there is a common difference in the questions and whether it is a AP. So when it is a AP, you can apply these two formulas. Otherwise, you can directly say that the condition given is not an AP, the sequence is not an AP, so it cannot be solved. Okay, please note this down. So friends, we have come to the end of arithmetic progression. You can try to solve the practice questions, practice sets in the given chapter, and test yourself if you are able to understand whether it's an AP, whether it's not an AP. I will upload few questions on my website, and I will try to solve the problem set. Also, I will upload the test. I have already uploaded linear equations and quadratic equations. For arithmetic also I will upload a test. You can solve that test and check whether you are able to get the answers or not. So that's all for today. Thank you.